Please subscribe for more words of wisdom. A great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It is when an imperfect couple learns to enjoy their differences. It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriages. Marriage is not a noun, it's a verb. It isn't something you get, it's something you do. It's the way you love your partner every day. The great marriages are partnerships. It can't be a great marriage without being a partnership. Marriage stands the test of times when both you and your spouse work towards making things better, and we are tested the most when we face adversities. If you can sail through the adversities as one, as a team, then you have won half the battle. Don't ever stop dating your wife, and don't ever stop flirting with your husband. A husband and wife may disagree on many things, but they must absolutely agree on this: to never ever give up. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Never marry the one you can live with. Marry the one you cannot live without. A good marriage is one which allows for change and growth in the individuals and in the way they express their love. A good marriage is the union of two good forgivers. Marriage is not about age, it's about finding the right person. True love stands by each other's side on good days and stands closer on bad days. To love is nothing, to be loved is something, but to be loved by the person you love is everything. Marriage, ultimately, is the practice of becoming passionate friends. A good marriage is a contest of generosity. A great marriage isn't something that just happens, it's something that must be created. Happy marriages begin when we marry the ones we love, and they blossom when we love the ones we marry. Happy is the man who finds a true friend, and far happier is he who finds that true friend in his wife. It's amazing how one day someone walks into your life, and you cannot remember how you ever lived without them. At the root of every successful marriage is a strong partnership. Marriage is the most natural state of man, and the state in which you will find solid happiness. The difference between an ordinary marriage and an extraordinary marriage is in giving just a little extra every day, as often as possible, for as long as we both shall live. Husband and wife relationships are like the relationship of Tom and Jerry, though they are teasing and fighting, but can't live without each other. Please subscribe for more words of wisdom.